Are you tired of sitting down to study, only to find yourself scrolling on your phone 10 minutes later? You're not alone. In a world full of pings, notifications, and endless tabs open in your brain, staying focused feels harder than ever. But what if I told you that you could train your mind to study effectively without distraction and actually enjoy the process? In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete strategy to eliminate distractions, stay in flow, and get more done in less time. Whether you're in school, college, or just trying to level up your skills, this is for you. Let's get into it. Section 1: Why we struggle to focus. Before we fix the problem, we need to understand it. We live in the most distracted generation in history. Your brain is constantly switching between apps, tasks, and thoughts. Each time you switch, your focus resets. That's called attention residue, and it's killing your productivity. Even a quick glance at a notification can lower your performance for up to 20 minutes. So if you've ever wondered why 3 hours of studying only gave you 30 minutes of actual work, now you know. But here's the good news: your brain is trainable. You can build laser focus just like a muscle. And I'll show you how. Section 2: Create a focus-friendly environment. Step 1 is mastering your environment. Your brain is always reacting to signals around you, so set up a space that tells your brain, it's time to focus. Here's how. Declutter your desk. A messy workspace equals a messy mind. Use noise-canceling headphones or soft focus music. Turn off notifications. Use Do Not Disturb mode or an app blocker like Forest or Freedom. Keep your phone out of sight. Studies show even a phone on the table reduces brain power. Bonus tip: use one dedicated place only for studying, no scrolling, no gaming, just work. Over time, your brain will associate that space with deep focus. Section 3: Use the power of time blocks. Now let's talk about how to structure your time for maximum efficiency. Trying to study for 4 hours straight? Not gonna happen. Your brain needs breaks to stay sharp. Enter the Pomodoro Technique. 25 minutes of focused work. 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times. Then take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. It works because it creates urgency and rhythm. You're not forcing yourself to grind, you're training your brain to work in sprints. Once you master this, distractions start to lose their grip. Section 4: Eliminate internal distractions. Let's be honest, sometimes the biggest distractions aren't on your phone, they're in your mind. Ever tried to study, but you're worrying about something else? Or suddenly feel like cleaning your entire room? That's your brain looking for an escape from discomfort. Here's how to beat it. 1. Write down intrusive thoughts. Keep a notebook nearby and do a quick brain dump when something pops up. 2. Use the 2-minute rule. If a distraction takes less than 2 minutes to resolve, do it. Otherwise, write it down and handle it after. 3. Practice mindfulness. A few minutes of deep breathing or meditation can reset your focus and calm your mind. You don't have to be perfect. Just be aware and keep coming back to your goal. Section 5: Build a study ritual. Ever notice how athletes and performers have rituals before a big game? You need one too. A study ritual trains your brain to enter focus mode automatically. It could be something as simple as making a cup of tea, lighting a candle, sitting at the same spot, opening your notes and timer in the same order. Over time, these little steps become a signal. It's time to lock in. And your brain follows. Section 6: Keep your energy in check. Focus isn't just about discipline, it's about energy. You can't concentrate if you're tired, dehydrated, or running on junk food. So here's what helps. Sleep. At least 7 to 8 hours. No sleep equals no focus. Hydration. Even mild dehydration can reduce concentration. Movement. Take short walks, stretch, or do a quick workout to reset your brain. Healthy snacks. Think nuts, fruit, dark chocolate, not sugar crashes. Fuel your body, and your brain will reward you. Section 7, turn studying into a game. Let's be real, studying can feel boring. But you can change that. Gamify the process. Set challenges. Can I finish this topic in 25 minutes? Reward yourself after each block, snacks, YouTube, music. Track your streaks. Every day you study, mark a calendar or use an app like Habitica. Turn it into a challenge, and suddenly, you're not just studying, you're winning. Section 8, final thoughts plus motivation. Distraction is normal. You're not lazy, you're just living in a noisy world. But with the right habits, you can build an environment and a brain that thrives on focus. So here's what I want you to do. Pick just one strategy from this video and apply it today. Whether it's blocking your phone, setting a timer, or just cleaning your desk, start small. Because the best way to beat distraction is to begin. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What distracts you the most and how are you going to fight back? See you in the next one.